No batter. I heard the Phillies win. What do you think about the game? No? No. Okay. We're accomplished. That was very an inappropriate gesture. Fuck you, stupid cold cup! I'm gonna kill you and that fucking dog. No, fuck you. My name is up yours. Never mind. I'll pull up my hash. Hi, Clay. No, you restart.
No.
You blew me away.
Mm-hmm.
That's a knee flapper. Hi, batter. Batter! I still have Chris's cell phone. I have a message.
Is that your comment?
It's from Susan. Theo. No. No, I'm at my house. LOL. Oh, you're so funny, Susan. I changed my shoes, by the way.
You're a loser.
No. Why are you laughing at me?
Because you're insane.
Oh, fucking go, you fucking gold fucker! I'm not insane. Okay, I'm gonna go to the insane asylum once a week. Fuck off! You fucking goof. No. Oh, fucking go, you fucking gold fucker!
What?
Shut up. Bob Saget! Okay. Bob Saget, pick it up! It's not ringing yet. There it is.
Hello?
Hey!
Hi.
How you doing?
It's good. How are you?
I'm okay. I think I'm hearing an echo.
What?
I think I'm hearing an echo. Why are you laughing at me?
Can you talk English, please?
No! Bob Saget! Hello? Hi. This fucking bitch hung up on me. Stop looking at me. Fuck stop! Are you recording me? That's not gonna record me. Stop recording me! Hi, Chloe. Chloe will beat you better. What? Do you wanna fucking go? You wanna go, better? Hi. You have a nose.
Emily, don't.
Don't you what, Sarah?
Don't do that to him.
Oh, I'm sorry, better. Hi, Chloe. Chloe likes me better than you. Don't touch Chloe! Is she raping you? Was she raping you? You're safe now. You're safe now. You're welcome. You're welcome. Don't. Ew. Bob Saget! I'm sorry, did I scare you? Okay, go away. No, come back. I want you now. Hi.
Poor Chloe. Chloe, come here, baby.
Hi, Chloe. I'm gonna come back. Come here. I'm on camera! Hi, everybody on Facebook, on YouTube, on the camera.
Are there people that live inside the camera?
Yeah. The little robots.
Okay.
Yeah. Fuck y'all! Hi, Maddie. That was an evil look. Hi. Motherfucker. Don't touch her like that. You can just got her for life.
So I heard that you guys broke up today.
It was very heartbreaking. And then he asked me if it broke his heart. What a fucking douchebag! Hi, Banner. How you going?